time to get started on project number one. So everybody kind of follow along. You're going to have an assignment I want done here in the next couple of days, but it's a relatively easy assignment. So follow along, and hopefully we can get this thing on its way. Should note for project one, it says just please click on the content section or content tab up here above, and that will take us to table of contents for all of the contents. Wow. And if you scroll down, then you'll just need to click on project one, and that will take you to this, what looks like this. So when you do that, please come up here and open up the Word doc. Okay, I'm not going to read through this. You guys can read through it, but it's going to give you some instructions, maybe some things that I miss while I'm talking here to get started. Okay? And so make sure you read through those. Right? It's not pages and pages. It's about 3/4 of a page. So read through that, and that give you maybe a little bit more information. Okay, then come back to project one. You'll see there are some videos posted. This one will go get replaced, I should say. These ones may be okay if you want to start working ahead. You sure may. And we've got some drop boxes, and I'll be adding a drop box for this first assignment, which is a pretty basic assignment. But then also you could click on this if you want to, and it just gives you an idea of what this assignment's going to entail. We're going to fill in, and that's maybe not the most accurate term, but all of these worksheets are going to get filled in. And while that looks fairly ominous, this program is set up wonderfully, and it works really well. It fills in a whole lot of the stuff for you. Okay, so don't let your heart be troubled at this point in time. It's a lot easier than it looks. So easy that I've actually made this project worth less points than the second project, because I'm finding that since this got put together, this is just, I think it just came around in 2015 was when I started using it, found it, and started using it. It's a really nice package that SCORE put together, the Service Corps of Retired Executives. So works really nice. But anyhow, there'll be a lot more information on that in coming assignments. You may want to read through these directions though too while you're at it. But for now, what I need you to do is just choose a business. Okay, choose a business that you would like to use for this project. That's instruction one. Instruction two is keep it simple. Okay, you're not going to get extra points for the complexity of this particular assignment. Okay, you don't get what do they do that in Olympics? They diving and some of those, they get a degree of difficulty or something like that. You get extra points. Well, you don't for this. Okay, so keep it simple. I just want you guys to get so you understand the interaction of these particular documents. By the way, these are documents that you would use if you were going to start up a business and you wanted to take to the bank, and you had projections and whatnot that you were going to do. Okay, it's exactly what you would use, but they would be good documents too if you were in business. Okay, to do forecasting, to do budgets from year to year, those types of things. There's really a pretty well put together set of worksheets. Okay. So back to choosing a business. Again, keep it something simple. Service businesses are good for this. Maybe you want to become a hairbender, which would be a barber or something like that. Maybe you want to be a dog walker. Okay, a lawn mowing service. Okay? Those types of things. It's okay to keep it simple. Keep it scaled down. If and I get asked this question a lot, people say, well, I'm really interested in actually opening a particular business. Can I do that? I'll say in a lot of cases yes, but try to scale it down to its most basic form. It will be easy once you learn where the numbers go and everything. It should be relatively easy to scale this up, okay, to then make it fit what you're looking for. That's a bigger project, but start small, and expanding it then will become a lot easier, rather than trying to start something just over the top. Wouldn't make any sense. So, okay, so again, it doesn't have to be a service business. It could be a small retail business. That's fine if there's something in that regard that you're kind of interested in. That'd be okay. But, a bookkeeping service would be another good example. So, plenty of examples, and when you submit those, I'll take a look at them, and I'll give you feedback. There's no real grade on that, but you guys got to do it because I want to make sure that everybody's kind of on track here and picking a business that's going to be doable, rather than something that's maybe a little bit too big and complex. So that's going to be your assignment. Again, just choosing a business. I'll set up a Dropbox for that. Put your idea in there. It doesn't have to be in a Word doc. You can just type that right into, I think there's a directions or something, a box where you can type that in and submit it. And I'll try to give you some feedback on that might say something as simply as okay, or it might say, hey, you might want to rethink this. So there you have it. Get started. Good luck, and thanks.